Introducing the stunning 2021 Audi A6 2.0 Tfsi 50 Sport E Quattro, a powerful and luxurious four-door saloon in sleek black. Packed with top-notch features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, this hybrid electric beauty is perfect for those who crave a comfortable and connected driving experience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured, this Audi has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on owning this exceptional vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and luxury with the 2021 Audi A6, a true masterpiece on wheels.